do we go into the future. Every moment since you were born, you're actually going towards the future. You've never had to be taught how to do that. No matter how much things change, you will always find a way. And the law of compensation is always on your side, because as you sow, so you shall reap. So I really want to say to you today, don't stop the trust. When you believe something, when you believe this is the way it's going to be, recognize that it's an expectation. Recognize that you demand of yourself that it has to happen in a certain way. When you trust yourself, you know that you can. It's not always going to happen perfectly. It's not always going to happen in the way that you would like. But you have to get used to the fact that sometimes things are going to be left open-handed and that you have to return to it later. It's not always going to be done and dusted straight away. It's not instant. Calm down. Trust yourself. Trust that you have in the moment when it's needed, you will know what to do and you'll do it well, because that's what you do and that's who you are. Your life is your message and your life is proof of it. Trust yourself today. Trust yourself to enjoy life, and most of all, recognize your own authority and give permission for the things that you want. Say thank you. I give myself permission to be pleasantly surprised. Thank you, life. I give myself permission to be adequately rewarded by the law of compensation for all I contribute. Thank you, life, for acknowledging me and recognizing me as a good person. Thank you, life, for the wonderful experiences that I can have and the wonderful life that I live. There's so much every moment that I can say thank you for. It is in those little things, in the smallest moments, that we find the greatest treasures. Trust yourself to find them. Trust yourself to have awareness, to see them and live them and appreciate them. And then, last but not least, reassure yourself often that you can trust. Don't stop believing. What does that mean? Start right now to trust. Not don't stop believing, start trusting. That's the formula.